your car get hot?
I don't know. Probably the engine gets somewhat hot because that's what engines do. Is it pretty close?
It's right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
So I take a right?
Yeah, take a right here.
Shut
I'm gonna back that way.
Left?
Yeah, left.
Got it.
And here it is.
Right here?
It's right there.
Right there. That was that thing. Okay. So I turn into it. Probably I can park in the parking garage. 24-hour recorded surveillance. Speed limit 9 miles an hour. That's a very strange speed limit. Considering most cars won't tell you that precisely what your speed is. So,
You can either park right there or up there.
yep. Maybe near the elevator.
Who is messaging me?
Now it looks like this garage is less empty than it was last time.
Kristen Dotson, happy birthday, Jackson. And we are making good timing. Let's come over here. Oh, we got charging stations, a Nissan Leaf police car. Exit sign, emergency light. This is the first elevator video on the Handycam after a while. Here, I'll do it. I'll do it. This thing even here. You can act random in the elevator too if you want. Old car too.
Whose car is that?
I don't know.
Me neither.
I'll get a cab here. I'm gonna do some random here. Turn it off, turn it off, turn it off. It doesn't work.
It really don't.
Is there anyone parked up here?
Here, let me get over here. Let me get over here first.
Oh look, there's a cop. You gotta hit the wall.
Hey guys, run! Hey, I got something in the mail yesterday.
Was it big?
These nuts?
Butterfly.
Now, the alarm on this one does work. It sounds like the John Sevier Middle School fire alarms. No.
Let's not press it.
You don't want nothing to happen. Don't do that.
I'd rather an emergency suit. Oh, whatever.
Now it's time to hit the house.
Yeah, but don't hit it too hard or you'll hurt your fist.
Okay.
Here, we're going back up.
We going back up?
Here, you can be random again. You can be random again.
Random. Like a stir fry. Ooh. Oh, that was cool. Look.
They are. Wander. Say random backwards. Wander.
Time to run.
So to Andrew, Elizabeth, and Katie Beach, I've got some interesting people in this elevator. And it is evening in downtown. Oh, they would.
Hello. Hello. We left you.
I would say we decided to take the elevator for an extra spin. There was no actual spinning involved.
Oh, well, don't get this thing stuck.
Should we head home yet?
Yeah. All right.
There it goes! Do you know the way? Do you know the way? Do you know the way?
Yes. Yes, I know the way.
Do you know the way?
I think I know the way.
Hello. I'm your police officer today.
See.
There's your car. Now we are leaving.
Please step back, doors closing.
You gotta go home and spend the time. Hey, I can't. Hey, you have to drop.